You're different. You do things your own way. That's what makes you one of a kind. You don't need things. You're happy with who you are. You don't care about money. You have the car of your dreams. You don't do it for appearances. You do it because it's your childhood dream. And this is not car care. This is you. It's a lifestyle, a choice, your choice. Introducing Proje car care products. Car care for people who believe in this lifestyle. Car care for people who work hard and achieve their dreams. Car care for you. Get started by clicking the button below and ordering the Proje kit used in this video.